Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this session, I want to talk about fraction addition and subtraction. As we've mentioned before, every rational number can be written as a fraction. So when we perform operations like addition or subtraction with fractions, they must have a common denominator. You cannot add or subtract fractions without having a common denominator. A common denominator is a common multiple, which is the same concept as the least common multiple, or LCM. This is something we practiced in Module 1, Lesson 1. If you need a refresher on how to find the least common multiple of two numbers, you can check out the previous video. We can extend that concept to work with multiple denominators, not just two. So make sure you can find the common multiple of all the denominators in the expression. For example, if a, b, and c are numbers where c is not equal to 0, we can add the two fractions a over c and b over c, which equals a plus b over c. You simply add the numerators on top and keep the same denominator. The same applies to subtraction. Find the difference between a and b and divide by the common denominator c. To get this common denominator, we use the fundamental theorem of rational numbers to find equivalent fractions with a common denominator. This is essentially applying the concept of the least common multiple. Now let's move on to example 15. This example will help you solve most of the problems in this section if you understand how to do it. The problem is to find the value of the expression 3/8 minus 1/6 plus 3/4. The first step is to find the LCM of the denominators, 8, 6, and 4. We can do a quick calculation. The prime factorization of 4 is 2 times 2. For 6, the prime factorization is 2 times 3. We line up the first two with the 2 from 4, and then create another column for the 3. For 8, the prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 2. Now we find the LCM by collecting the common factors and the non-common factors. We take all the factors, whether they are common or not. So we have 2 times 2 from 4, 3 from 6, and 2 times 2 from 8. When we multiply these together, we get 24. So the least common multiple of the three denominators is 24. If you need a reminder on finding the LCM of two numbers, you can refer back to the video from Module 1, Lesson 1, specifically Example 9. Now that we have the common denominator, we can proceed with adding the fractions. First, we need to convert each fraction to have a denominator of 24. To convert 3/8, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, giving us 9/24. To convert 1/6, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4, giving us 4/24. To convert 3/4, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6, giving us 18/24. Now we have 9/24 minus 4/24 plus 18/24. Since the fractions now have a common denominator, we can add and subtract the numerators. 9 minus 4 plus 18 equals 23. So the final result is 23/24. Make sure to check if the fraction is in its simplest form. In this case, 23/24 is already reduced. That's all for this video. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.